As someone who is new in business or finding it hard to scale a business, I know it will be very difficult for you to determine what is going to make your business so profitable. I've been in that shoe before, but let me take you back in time. In 2021, I was a student. I had a home service barbering business that I run. I charged 500 naira per haircut, and the highest sales I have ever made in a day was 15. If you calculate that, that is 7,500 naira in a day. In 2023, I finished my program at school and now I am at home. I decided to change the price I charge to 2,000 naira per haircut. The highest sales I ever made in a day was 3, and that is 6,000 naira in a day. Now, there are certain reasons why I made low sales in 2023 compared to 2021. This brings us to the challenges we face in making sales and the challenges in determining price. The first challenge in sales is market saturation. If you find yourself in a very competitive niche, where everybody wants to do the same thing, like overcrowded niche, you might find it very difficult to stand out, and this might affect your sales. Another thing that can affect your number of sales is ineffective marketing campaign. When you fail to target the right audience, this is for sure going to result in low sales. What if you generate that lead and they fail to buy? This is because you have low sales or closing skills, and as a result of this, you are still going to end up in low sales. Did you even think of competitive pricing, where you are trying to sell at a higher price but your competitors are willing to sell at lower price? This may also result in low sales. The last thing I want to consider is poor customer service. I don't need to explain this at all. We all know if you give a poor customer service, they are never going to return to purchase again. These are few challenges you can face while trying to make sales. Now let's talk about pricing. Some of the challenges you are going to face in determining the price you want to sell your service or your product is cost consideration. Now you want to start calculating your production cost, your expenses, and the desired price you want to sell your product. And by doing this, it will take you to the second challenge you are going to face, which is customers' perception. Customers are going to perceive the value they want to get from your product or your service and weigh it with the price they are going to pay for it. This is actually going to determine the price you want to put it, because when customers feel like the price they want to pay is not matching with the value they are going to get, then they might end up not buying. So considering your cost with customers' perception might give you a tough time in deciding the price you want to sell your product or service. The last thing I want to consider that will also influence your pricing decision is the current market price. No matter the price you decide to sell your product or service, there is a particular price the consumer are already buying that product or service, and this will surely influence your pricing decision. After analyzing the two factors, which is sales and price, I realized that even if I increase the price I offer my service, back then in 2023, I will still not be able to generate more profits. In order for me to become more profitable, I need to have increase in sales. Regardless of the price I sell my service, there must be increase in sales, or else I won't be profitable. The second thing is I need to have a good pricing strategy, which I already have, but I can still improve. Another thing I need to work on is cost management. I need to know how I'm going to reduce my expenses in order to realize a reasonable profit. The fourth thing is efficiency and productivity. At some point, I realized I lacked efficiency, and I used to lose some sales that I would have made, but I won't be able to convert it because of lack of efficiency. What about customer retention and loyalty? I need to build a strong relationship between me and my customers in order to foster repeat purchase. This will enable me to have more sales, and having more sales is equal to more profit. The last thing I need to study is market demand, so that I won't be lagging behind while others are far ahead of me. Guys, these are few among the things I believe if I put in place, my business will become more profitable. If you find this video really helpful, please do want to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop new videos, you'll be able to get notified. Like this video and drop your comments. I will see you guys on my next video.